Hey, hi everyone. So in this video, we will see how to use Podman to set up a kind cluster and manage it through the Podman desktop. So let me open the Podman. I have already installed. Yeah. So this is Podman, and to set up the kind cluster in the setting in the resource section, we have this Podman management panel and also the kind for the kind. So we have to say create new kind cluster, and this name provider is like will be Podman, and the port on which we want to, and also this is ingress controller to access the resources. So we here contour will be set up. So let's say create. So I have Kubectl installed. So once we get the cluster, we will access that. So we can check the status in the logs. So currently it's using the pulling the image kind node, and version 1.13 KT's version is will be installed. And when if you see the status, right, currently Podman is in the experimental, the Podman support in the kind cluster for kind is is experimental. That's why it's showing this warning. Also image is pulled, preparing node, then starting the control plane. So this status message or log message is similar to uh, we similar to the original default one which we get. So here now, right, if you see, we got this cluster and successful operation. Go back to resources, and we can see this kind cluster is running, and this is the we can manage from here, like restart if we want to stop, and after stop we will get the delete option. And another thing here from also, if you see the context is set to kind cluster, so we should have the either OC or we can use Kubectl. So it will say our kind cluster is running and control plane with 54-second back, and we can also check all the resources in the all namespace. So we are getting the core DNS, etcd, and the kindnet as a CNI plugin, Kube API server pod, Kube controller proxy, Kube scheduler. This is local path provisioner for the storage class, and this contour is for ingress controller, and this is certificate invoice the proxy, and this is the pods. So, and if you see the OC get SC, the storage class is like a standard by default is local path provisioner, and further we can go to here pod sections in the so if you see it's saying connected play with we can create a pod from here, in the kind cluster in the default namespace, and yeah, what is cluster and we have to select the YAML. So this is the graphical way of like playing with applying the YAML. You can also do it from the CLI, and this is the graphical view of the cluster. So we from the CLI we checked that there was one node, master node, and services. So one service, it will be default service Kubernetes service, So this default Kubernetes service is there, and config member. And similarly, like in the detail, you can see from here. So this is just for example. You can connect, change the context and choose any cluster, and you can view the status. So it's similar to the like lens. You do not have to install another application for that. You can use the inbuilt so through the Podman desktop. And the context, you can similarly like change the cluster namespace. So here deployment, right? uh, this is service. So here its namespace is default. Yeah, I think that's it in this. Later we will go look into detail how to do other things. What, or yeah, so